Assalamu alaikum and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my elders are also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I'm also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy life, successful life and happy life. And to you also pray for me. I hope you're waiting for this video. So while the wait is over, today I bring some special beautiful crochet scarf free ideas for modern girls. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, beautiful ideas, most demanding collection. Most wearing collection, beautiful ideas. Some are light color, some are dark color contrast, painful ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, and beautiful style, beautiful wearing style. You can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet scarf free ideas, beautiful fall ideas. If you are going to school, college, early morning, so you can wear this crochet scarf. Very nice, beautiful ideas. You can see many more ideas about crochet dresses in my channel and different beautiful crochet pattern. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and prepare for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.